smoking silver room.
The real Jeff Tate hits notes above the sky. Neely's got Don Duckin spinning one more time. Comedy and chaos, opinions running free, talking hard rock stories in the music industry. Backstage whispers, reunion dreams collide.